Munchkins! Welcome to an episode of Euphoria High, where we talk about the overwhelming stresses of life. Today, we'll be doing Maddie's classic baddie makeup look. So if you want to see me do my makeup while spill the hottest tea, then keep on watching. Before I start the video, I just want you to know that this video is a podcast makeup style video, so you can just listen to me or watch me beat my face. It's completely up to you. So enjoying one experience or the other, I hope you get a sip of tea and just get into it. Greetings, friends! It's really been a while since I've graced your screens on YouTube, and I know you want to hear an explanation. Well, I am lazy. Kidding. Actually, your girl is officially on college. This means that I get 50% less sleep and 50% more projects to do. I'm actually enrolled in a multimedia art course right now, which means that it has been both a curse and a blessing. Let me explain. Well, if you know me, you know that I love creating art every now and then through sketching, painting, and doing videos too. And my course made me do a lot of those things, but only with grades. Suddenly, my passion is becoming an open source of criticism to question my self-worth and whether I'm good enough at all these things that I love to do. Art has always been this sort of escapism, as well as it gives me an opportunity to grow at my own pace. YouTube has partaken a lot part of this journey of escapism, especially from the stresses of school and within escaping the things that bother my head. Slowly, the school has pressured me to grow as fast as possible in terms of my artistry and all. That time passes, I would only ever face my sketchpad when it's required to do so. I'm still conquering this part of my journey right now, and I'm happy to say that I've gotten so far already, and I'm proud of myself for doing just that. Speaking of school, it has really been challenging for me to seek for friends in an online school setting. Like, how hard is that? But oh my god, I realize how much time I've actually spent not uploading any YouTube video that I already own you an hour of a podcast of me just giving my chicas. But really, comment down below if you guys want me to make a podcast. Back to the friendship topic. I've actually had the best experience when having to meet like-minded individuals on my course. At first, I was like a shy kid, like I do most of the first days of school since 10th grade. But passing the first day means I get to make noise in the second day, so it would generate shock value and dramatic reactions from my classmates. Trust me, it works all the freaking time. But really, I met an amazing set of friendships throughout the year, and I'm very thankful for that. Shout out to Mugs if you guys are watching. LOL. Like, imagine being fully online while still bonding with the people far away from you. That's just amazing. Honestly, a lot of the friendships I had this year was based solely on Discord. A little dash of caffeine as well, and overwhelming lack of sleep due to endless brainstorming of ideas, as well as talking shit about professors. Well, I'm kidding. All I can say is building deep connections with people, on your screen is challenging. But I'm happy that we overcame most part of it. A little update on our small friend group though. We kind of separated because we were placed in different sections now, but we still rekindle a conversation every now and then, which makes me very happy. In terms of maturing and growing for the past 10 months that I've been off of YouTube, I think that I've came a long way as I've learned that not only have I gotten prettier, obviously. I'm kidding. But I've also learned to give value to the importance of self-love. It sounds cheesy as freak, but at first, it took me a lot of time to even reward myself for doing so much in school. I thought that I'd deprived myself from the pleasure of life, that everything was important in my head. It started crawling into my skin. Speaking of self-love and self-development, I've actually indulged myself during season 2 of Euphoria, because obviously I wouldn't really do this makeup look if I didn't love Euphoria. I've been seriously waiting for season 2 to arrive, and now I had mixed reactions to it, honestly. Heck yeah, it was a journey of so much pain and emotion, but it also taught me to be present and be aware of the things and the people around me. I've honestly loved Fess, Maddie, and Lexi this season because of how much their character has grown throughout the episodes. It was also really sad to see Kat receive little parts of the season, but I think it was from a controversial drama, but that's that. Cross fingers on season 3 that they get more character, plotline, and opportunity to develop as a character as well. The ending was one hell tough of a ride too, but I won't spoil anything, so you're welcome. Trying to give a little peek of my light lately, everything's been honestly so good. And even just simply making this video has put me into a calm mindset. But me, I gotta edit this fast because a lot of tasks are waiting for me in the real world. Sorry to cut the heart-to-heart talk, but I hope you did enjoy this makeup look and short session we had today. Good luck on your next journey. Bye. Oh my god, I miss saying that. Bye.